Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel Study of Mathematics.
Next topic is even numbers and odd numbers. First we know about the definitions. After that we what is mean. First we know about the definitions. What is mean by even numbers? Even numbers is a number which is exactly divisible by 2. A number which is exactly divisible by 2, then that number is called as a even number. That set of numbers here is that the set of numbers, the even numbers, I am taking it as a letter capital E, that E is equal to set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, comma and so on are there. That means any number which is exactly divisible by 2, then that numbers are called as a even numbers. And next one is odd numbers. A number which is not divisible by 2. The number which is not divisible by 2 is called as a odd numbers. That odd number set we take it as a O. So is O, that is equal to set of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on are there. Then here 0 is also an even number. If we take according to the whole numbers, we have in natural numbers we have only the numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on all there. Then in that even numbers are according to the natural numbers. Even number set is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. According to the natural numbers, odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 and so on are there. And according to the whole numbers, these are the set of even numbers. Only the 0 is there now for the difference between even number, whole numbers and natural numbers. Then 0 is also an even number because 0 is also divided by 2. The 0 is exactly divisible by 2. Then 0 is also an even number. For we have the in number system we have natural numbers, whole numbers. After whole numbers, integers are there. In that integers we have positive numbers, negative numbers and also zeros are there. In that negative numbers we are also classified into even numbers and odd numbers. In that -2, -4, -6, -8, -10 and so on, or negative even numbers, and -1, -3, -5, -7 and so on, or negative odd numbers. Here also the same property is that which is a even number or which is a negative even number also divisible by 2. Negative odd number also is not divisible by negative. That means a number, even number, we know that any number exactly divisible by 2. For example, you take 0, which is 0 is divisible by 2. That means 0 by 2. That is equal to 0 only. If any number is exactly divisible, that means the remainder is equal to 0. Then only the number is exactly divisible by that number. For example, you take 4, exactly the number 4 we take. 4 is divided with 2. This 4 is divided with the 2. Sorry. This 4 is divided with 2. That means 2 2s are 4. The remainder is equal to exactly 0 now. That means 4 is exactly divisible by 2. In the same way, 6 also, 2 3s are 6. 6 also divisible by 2. For example, you take 5. Then which is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. The remainder is equal to 1. Then this is not exactly divisible by 2. That means the remainder is not equal to 0. If any number is exactly divisible by 2 is nothing but a, if we divide that number with 2, we get the remainder as exactly equal to 0. Then other than that number you got, that is not divisible by 2. Then which is number exactly divisible by 2, that number is called as a even number, and which is not divisible by 2, that number is a odd numbers. But according to the natural numbers, the even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on are there. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on are there. According to the whole numbers, the even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and so on. Even odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on are there. For according to the integers, here integers are there. These integers are indicated by the letter capital Z, that is equal to and so on, comma, minus 3, comma, minus 2, comma, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, and so on are there. This integers set is the set of combination of the positive numbers, negative numbers, and with 0. That means the extension part of the whole numbers, which is the whole numbers included with the negative numbers. Negative numbers is nothing but if the natural numbers sign is positive, that means natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on are there. These natural numbers sign is positive, plus for the negative numbers minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. All the natural numbers which is the sign is opposite to the natural numbers. That numbers are called as the negative numbers. In these negative numbers also we have even numbers and odd numbers. That is also the definition is same. Which negative number is exactly divisible by 2? Which negative number is exactly divisible by 2? Then that numbers are called as a negative even numbers. Which negative numbers are not divisible by 2, which is not divisible by 2, then that are called as a negative odd numbers. Which is exactly divisible by 2, that are negative even numbers, and which is not divisible by 2, that negative numbers are called as a negative odd numbers. Next, what is meant by topic is that prime numbers. First, what is meant by prime numbers? A prime number a prime number is a natural number which has exactly two factors. That is the factor 1 and itself number is a factor of that number. That numbers are called as a prime numbers. And some of the important points according to the prime numbers are: every prime number is an odd number except 2. The set of prime numbers 1 to 100 are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These all prime numbers between 1 and 100 are 25 prime numbers are there. In these 25 prime numbers, we have all the prime numbers are only the odd numbers except 2. Only except 2. That means here 24 are odd prime numbers, only 1 is the even prime number, that is only 2. For every numbers from 1 to infinity numbers, we have to separate prime numbers. All prime numbers are odd numbers only except 2. That means only one even prime number is there, that is only 2. The even prime number is nothing but a 2. Then what is mean by here factors? What is mean by factors? We have to first learn. Factor is nothing but a number which is exactly divisible by number. If you take 4, the number 4 is exactly divisible by which numbers? That numbers or set numbers are called as a factors. That means 4 is exactly divisible with 1, and 4 is exactly divisible with 2, and 4 is exactly divisible by 4 itself. Then here what are the factors of 4 are 1, 2, 4. For number 1 only one factor is there, and for 2 1 is exactly divisible by 2 and 2 is also exactly divisible by 2, and the number 3 1 and 3 only. For 4 1, 2, 4 is there, 1, 2, 1. For number 5, what are the factors? 1, only 5 is there. That means the other than the numbers is exactly not divisible with the 5 is not divisible with other numbers. That means if the number 6 is there, the 6 is exactly divisible with 1 and 2, 3, 6. Then these four numbers 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of number 6. All these are called as the factors. That means if you 4 you divide with 1, 4 ones 1 fours are 4 exactly divisible. That means 4 is exactly divisible with 1 and 4 is divisible with 2. 2 2 2 twos are 4. That means remainder 0. That means 4 is exactly divisible with 2 and 4 is divisible with 3. Oh, no, 3 ones are 3. The remainder is 1. The remainder is not equal to 0. That means the 3 is not divisible with 4. 4 is not divisible with 3. That means if the number is exactly divisible with some other number, that some other numbers are there, that numbers are called as a factors. Then according to the prime numbers which have the factors only two are there. If any number have only two factors, that factors must be 1 and itself number. 1 and itself number. 1 is a factor of each and every number. For natural numbers, 1 is a common factor of all the numbers. Common factor of all the numbers. Then and the same number. If you take 4, we have 1, 2, 4. The 1 and 4. For every natural numbers, we have two common factors are there, but that are 1 is a common factor of all the numbers and itself number is also a factor of each number. In that a number have only two factors. That means the number itself and 1 is a factor. Then that numbers are called as a prime numbers. Next topic is composite numbers. Composite numbers. What is meant by composite numbers is nothing but a non-prime number is called as a composite number. A non-prime number is called as a composite number. That means in other way we say that a natural number has more than two factors. More than two factors are called as a composite numbers. That means if only two factors are there, the number 1 and itself number is called the numbers having two factors only, we call that as a prime numbers, and more than two factors are there, that are composite. And here 1 is there. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. That means the set of natural numbers are there. The set of natural numbers are start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, comma and so on are there. First we know that what is prime number is a number having two factors. That means for number 1 we have only the one factor. For 2, 1 comma 2. Number of factors are 2. And for 3, 1 comma 3 itself. And for 4, 1, 2, 4 is there. For 5, 1 comma 5 is there. 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. That means and so on are there now. Here the prime numbers is only two factors are there, that are prime numbers. That means 2, 3 here. 2, 3, 5 are a prime numbers. And 4, 6 are the composite numbers. But 1 have only one factor. Then 1 is neither prime nor composite. That means 1 is not a prime number and also not a composite number. That means only 1 have only one factor. That's why the 1 is not a prime number and not a composite number. Thank you for watching. For this class, this is the for today's class, and we have to continue in next class. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.
Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.